I'm Dr. Sarah Skidmore, Leadership Doctor, Futurist, and Consultant with Skidmore Consulting. And I have a question for you. Have you seen this toy before? Maybe you had this toy when you were a kid. Maybe your parents had this toy when they were a kid. Maybe you bought a toy like this for your own child or grandchild. And so what we have here is one of the very basic tools that we use with our toddlers to help them understand different shapes and potentially colors. And I want to use it as an illustration for how we can better understand our teams and organizations as well. You'll notice that each of the shapes is different, right? We have a variety of different shapes. We have stars, pluses, circles, triangles, squares, you name it, a variety. And then we have pieces, right? We have these different pieces. And the sentiment is you put the piece in the right slot. But do we ever consider that when we look at our teams and our organizations? Do we ever consider what type of talents, skills, and strengths we need an individual to have to fulfill a certain role? Or do we just try to take the people, the shapes we may have on our current team without upskilling them or reskilling them or making them ready for a new position? So I encourage you to think about this toy and think about what you are doing with your leader development at your organization. Are you trying to force a triangle into a circle role? Or are you making sure that you are pairing descriptions, job requirements, strengths needed for certain projects to match the strengths and abilities of individuals on your team? So this is just one of the illustrations that I think about. Certainly, like most illustrations, it's not a perfect one, but I hope it gives you a little bit of context to understanding the strengths of your team when you're thinking about the needs of your organization. Thanks.